Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the top 5 reasons to choose the Ford EcoSport in the compact SUV category. The Ford EcoSport has been on sale in the Indian market since 2013 and has gone through several upgrades, including a major facelift in the year 2018 and the recently launched Signature Edition top spec variant. First, let's talk about the variants of the Ford EcoSport. Currently, the Ford EcoSport is available in 7 variants, namely the Ambient, Trend, Titanium, Titanium Plus Automatic, Titanium Plus Sports and the Titanium Plus Signature Edition. While all the other variants are available with either a petrol engine or a diesel engine option with a manual gearbox, the Titanium Plus variant alone is available only with the 1.5-litre petrol engine with a torque converter automatic gearbox. The Ford EcoSport, despite being the oldest, is still a car which offers a whole lot of standard features from the low-spec variant itself. So in this video, we are going to see the top 5 reasons why you should choose the Ford EcoSport and still consider it over all other compact SUVs. First, let's talk about the design. The Ford EcoSport, despite being the oldest compact SUV, still offers a proper butch SUV-like design while also providing great ground clearance, beefy wheel arches, and body cladding all around. The Ford EcoSport is also one among the very few SUVs to sport a tailgate-mounted spare wheel on most of its variants, adding to the butch appeal and design of the SUV. However, even if you don't like the tailgate-mounted spare wheel, Ford has also offered the Signature Edition variant of the Ford EcoSport, which does not get a tailgate-mounted spare wheel at all. The second talking point of the Ford EcoSport is the performance and capability. The Ford EcoSport is offered with one petrol and one diesel engine option, the petrol being a 1.5-litre 3-cylinder naturally aspirated 122 PS producing motor, generating 149 Nm of maximum torque. This engine is available with a 6-speed automatic transmission only on the Titanium Plus variant, which also offers paddle shifters. The diesel engine, on the other hand, is the well-known 1.5-litre 4-cylinder TDCi turbocharged diesel engine, producing 100 PS of maximum power and 215 Nm of maximum torque through a 5-speed manual transmission only. Despite the power figures, it is the way the Ford EcoSport drives is what makes the point. Both the petrol and diesel engines are linearly tuned with a strong and effortless mid-range, and these engines can also be well enjoyed till the red line as well. Apart from engine performance, the Ford EcoSport offers 550 mm of wading depth, along with a suspension setup that can cope up with almost all bad roads with the help of the really good ground clearance. As the third point, let's talk about the interior and features. Despite being one among the oldest designs in the compact SUV category, the interior of the Ford EcoSport is very well thought out and comfortable as well. The front seats are designed for enthusiasts with some strong side bolstering and perfect level of under-thigh support. Right from the second Trend variant itself, the Ford EcoSport also gets height adjustment for the driver's seat. And the Ford EcoSport is one among the rarest compact SUVs to also offer tilt and telescopic adjustment as standard across all variants. In terms of seating comfort, despite having just about adequate space for 4 adults, the seat design, posture and cushioning is perfect on the Ford EcoSport. All variants of the Ford EcoSport, starting from the entry-level Ambient variant itself, offer height-adjustable headrests for all 4 passengers. And while a front center armrest is available from the Titanium variant itself, a rear center armrest along with 60-40 split folding rear seats are available from the Titanium Plus variant onwards. The Ford EcoSport is also one among the rare cars to offer an audio system even on the entry-level variant. Despite not being a touchscreen system, the Ford EcoSport's Ambient entry-level variant also offers a 2-in audio system offering FM, Bluetooth, aux-in and USB connectivity paired to 4 speakers. Apart from this, the entry-level variant itself gets almost all the essential features including all 4 power windows, electrically adjustable ORVMs and remote central locking. If you fancy more features such as a touchscreen system and automatic climate control, then the Ford EcoSport's second-level Trend variant itself offers these features, along with 16-inch steel wheels, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, driver seat height adjustment, and a reverse parking camera. This very same 9-inch touchscreen system is available on the Titanium and the Titanium Plus variants as well. Despite not having features like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay connectivity, this 9-inch touchscreen Fly Audio system itself offers inbuilt navigation with live traffic updates integrated with Map My India. When compared to this mid-spec variant, no other compact SUV's mid-spec variant offers so many features including reverse parking camera, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, and inbuilt navigation. Next comes the recently updated Titanium variant, which now gets a lot more safety features as standard along with an electric sunroof. The Titanium variant also offers projector headlamps with front fog lamps, keyless entry with push-button start, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a front center armrest, and satin aluminum finished roof rails. The Titanium variant onwards, the Ford EcoSport also gets premium instrument cluster with an advanced 3D-like multi-information display along with chrome rings. The Titanium Plus variant, which is available only with the petrol automatic transmission, additionally gets automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, a rear center armrest with 60/40 split folding rear seat, cruise control, and electrochromic auto-dimming IRVM. All the features seen on the Titanium Plus variant are also carried forward to the new Signature Edition variant, which is one among the top spec variants of the Ford EcoSport. This Signature Edition variant gets HID projector headlamps instead of halogen projectors seen on the lower spec variants. Apart from this, the Signature Edition also adds tire pressure monitoring system and a more advanced 8-inch touchscreen system which offers Sync 3 connectivity along with voice recognition, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. As a part of this Sync 3 touchscreen system, both the Signature Edition and the Sports variant carry forward all the features, including connectivity options and interior ambient mode lighting. Moreover, all variants of the Ford EcoSport also get Ford Pass connectivity as standard, which can be useful for monitoring the vehicle status, emergency service and assistance, while also offering features such as geofencing, live tracking, remote start-stop, remote lock-unlock, tire pressure monitoring system, oil life, fuel level, and vehicle authorization on the top spec variants. The Ford EcoSport also offers 16-inch alloy wheels from the Titanium variant itself. However, the alloy design is different for the Titanium variant when compared to the Titanium Plus and the Signature Edition variants. The top spec Sports variant gets an altogether different design with a dual tone finish. As a result of the tailgate mounted spare wheel, the Ford EcoSport is also one among the very rare cars to offer a full-size alloy spare wheel on the Titanium, Titanium Plus and the Sports variants. However, the Signature Edition variant does not offer a spare wheel at all and instead offers a tire puncture repair kit. Despite carrying forward all the details and features seen on the Signature Edition variant, the Sports variant offers additional features such as premium leather seats, satin orange finish on the interior, sporty alloy finish on the pedals, and the contrast black painted roof. After the features comes the responsibility and safety. Apart from the really solid build quality, the Ford EcoSport offers dual airbags and ABS across all variants along with reverse parking sensors and a manually adjustable day-night IRVM. A rear windshield wiper washer and defogger along with the reverse parking camera is available from the Trend variant itself, whereas additional active safety features including hill launch assist, electronic stability control, traction control, rollover mitigation and brake assist are available as standard from the Titanium variant itself. And yes, the Ford EcoSport also offers 6 airbags on the Titanium Plus Signature Edition and the Titanium Plus Sports variants. The Sync 3 system available on the Signature Edition and the Sports variants of the Ford EcoSport also offer additional safety features like Ford My Key and emergency assistance. Finally, let's talk about the price and value for money factor. The Ford EcoSport petrol manual range starts from Rs 7.99 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level ambient variant and goes all the way up to Rs 10.99 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec Sports variant. The only automatic Titanium Plus variant is available for Rs 11.19 lakh ex-showroom, offering all the safety features and paddle shifters. The diesel manual range of the Ford EcoSport starts from Rs 8.69 lakh ex-showroom, extending all the way up to Rs 11.49 lakh for the top-spec Titanium Plus Sports variant. So despite offering a whole lot of features as standard from the entry-level variant itself and the mid-spec variants too being incredibly well loaded, the Ford EcoSport easily undercuts some of the rivals in terms of pricing and value for money factor. Along with that, Ford also claims to provide the most affordable spare parts, with most Ford owners also being satisfied with the service. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the Ford EcoSport and all its variants. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.